Yes. You know what, the general, the 10-star one, don't it? Dear nation people. So, right now, we see what I go on, don't it? We see what I go on right now with Jada Kingdom and Stefflon, right? Yo, you don't remember my video yesterday when I tell you, no? Me already tell you, the internet, I go forward out with their opinion, don't it? Though you hear everybody I run and I say Jada Kingdom, I run and she for answer all of them shit there. Whenever I tell you what I go on. Right now, you know, told me see it, you know, Jada Kingdom, you know, body Stefflon done, you know, and the whole of our family, you know. And the first me ever see this happening in a dance hall, you know. Me never see no clash go on like this in a dance hall. Cause right now, you see to the whole Jada Kingdom drop necessary equipment. Me see Stefflon done for live a ball. Stefflon done mother in a Jada Kingdom DM a attar and all them shit there. Me never see that yet in a clash, my brother. The whole family are forward out, a tagger, a attar, a hashtagger. I can't believe. I never seen a war like this before yet, my brother. I never see it. I never even see it coming. So there are some people when I say, different people talk through and I run them mouth, and I chat them mouth and I talk about, oh, Jada this, Jada that. I want to know where the people them have to say right now. Because Stefflon done, you know, forward out. Say she not do no more. Zane? Say she not do no more. Because I be a lie Jada Kingdom I tell. Who the fuck cares if a lie she tell? A dancehall music you do, my brother, and you clash. Where you do a defend yourself. Good? Feeling better? Alright, brother, good. I'm going to get in a tea and come right back. Yeah. Who the fuck cares if a lie she tell? You defend yourself, man. You go in the studio, go drop big song and make you know, say, a lie she tell, you counteract whatever lie she tell, and drop the truth in her head and beat her with where you are beat her with. Where the fuck you come out on live and a ball about a lie she tell and this and a clash and a clash, nobody no give a fuck. It look like you really don't know when Jada say you don't know the culture of Jamaica. It look like you really don't know. I don't know, joke thing. No, your mother in a Jada Kingdom DM, I tell her about, oh, a 3-month she never there with, and she never there with no young boy, and this and that. What the fuck? So, the bomb them where Jada Kingdom are drop, it look like it had disturbed the life, my brother. It look like it shake up the whole bumbucklad family. You not see what I go on. Dogs you care, man, it's Jada Kingdom. Me not bumbucklad tell you that already. You not go like a lie, man, I tell. I don't go like man don't know about music. She cannot manage her, dog. If them not stop this shit right now, you hear me? Some people are going to end up in a dimension. Me I tell you that bumper ass clot, yeah? If she not stop, you know see what Jada Kingdom unleash the demon out of her, my brother. Bumper ass clot. The girl better than all what me think. What me say? And me have her bad, and she better than all what me think. Yo, they have to stop it. If them not blood clot stop it at B1-1. Emergency ambulance of people blood clot premises. Me I tell you that bumbo clot. A body Jada Kingdom a body them. Them can't manage her. Right now, them have to see her and approach her with caution. Me not lie. She arm and dangerous. What? East Side Queen. You're right now, a different respect upon her name. You don't have to know what I do. I don't care about them lifestyle, you know, brother, because you can't tell people, you know, how to live them life, you know. You can't dictate to people how them supposed to live them life. Eh? I talk about lyrically. She can't manage her. Get a man over her short. Short.
Just one?
One, yeah. Pack.
One pack?
Yeah. You see what I say? No joking in the Night Nation people. Yo, Stefflon and the whole our blood clot family them a ball last night, dog, just because England 6 hours ahead and at them first get the ass clot release, me I tell you, and dog, when the bomb drop na them bumbo clot head, all after 5 this morning, Jada Stefflon and mother in a blood clot Jada Kingdom coming in our DM after 5 this blood clot morning. That means she can't sleep, my brother. What a relief from a new assistant bridge. Yo, I know what the fucking una go forward out and send out. I'm watching up on live, you know, the whole of una sit up on the mouth and I talk about this and that because I hear Stefflon dance song. From me hear the blood clot song, what me tell you now, me don't like it. For what go on right now in the clash to all Jada Kingdom forward out, who didn't like that song there? Unless you don't know nothing about clash. This is what I say. I say I sang an idiot song. It does not fit right in the stuff of the clash, my brother. To all Jada Kingdom represent. You that fear forward, wicked and that, my brother. Remember what Jada Kingdom come doing, my brother. Remember this come discriminate and the whole of the family, you know, my brother. A big hardball she fire, you know, my brother. You see what I say? So all you gonna come out and act like so well then as some more shading thing. I can't no more shading thing. Them a say well then she counteract and she this. Them think they weak, my brother, towards Jada Kingdom mess up the whole blood clot place, dog. You never said the place messy. It need for clean up. She did for clean up the place and launch her attack. You see what I say? And she failed to do that. I wish she bring come to Jada Kingdom. Come and see Jada Kingdom going at them come. Uno says Jada Kingdom around and Jada Kingdom in at the bumbo clot comment section and laugh off her, my brother. That means me know say what she do weak no bumbo ass clot, dog. And the little girl not showing that now, my brother. I slap the little girl, slap it up for 6 right now, you know. To me in the clash done, you know, right now, you know. Me not think them can continue, you know. To the way all Stefflon and family them are going, you know, the first me ever see this in a bumbo clot clash, you know. 2 person clash, dancer, lyrical war, you know, my brother. In a dancer, you know, it costs the whole family to get in it, my brother. All who now ball a tumble over, a call for the police, a ball for murder, all kind of blood clotting, my brother. And the first me ever see a clash when I witness the whole family. What, right now I kill them, I want to kill Jada Kingdom, I don't want to feel like say I don't know blood clot. More clashing thing and more joking thing and playing thing, you know. Them people that are like for earth are physically right, bumbo ass clot now, you know. To all Jada Kingdom, dash out them business all over bumbo ass clot, London Bridge, you know, brother. The whole of them business are run out for London Bridge, you know. Me don't know if you don't see that, you know. Me bumbo ass clot. They know, me see why Sensa did run. Me see why she did run from me skin down to bumbo ass clot, because that type of big gun there where she about to blood clot. It come like say another does her ass or shake. When she squeeze necessary equipment, the whole bumbo clot Stefflon and family shake up, my brother. Me bumbo ass clot people, let me see what I go on. Because to me, the clash over. Jada Kingdom already a winner. Them can't manage our nation people. The general, the 10-star one I represent. What? The nation people. Oh.